Chamaga kuntra manga Suba Khongjom de Pallan mari Leinana taramanga ngapigani 15 mega blood donation camp Pangthoklagani Hairi Chahi Khuding District Administration Thobal gi miyeng makada state government program gi manung chanba sarukamoina Khongjom de lisangsina blood donation camp Pangthoklina lakpugum kumsi chahi gi oinasu 15 mega volunteer blood donation camp ama Khongjom War Memorial Complex Khongjom Thobal District ta ayukpung mapandagi Numit yung pung taranitoy fawba Pangthoklagani hariba camp asida masagi body weight 45 kg dagi tadaba BP normal oiba healthy oiba nupa nupi singi masagi chahi tarani pandagina humfu manga fawgi manungda leiba miyoi singa saruk yabiduna EPBU numit asida EP riba donor singbu puning thogat pa amasung ikai khumnabu utpaga loinana donor singi state asigi masang naiba VIP singasu interaction taunagani loinana blood donor wage T-shirt certificate Khongjom Jenumita government na published ba booklet amasung AVBD Thobal District Branch ki action plan yauba calendar supigani 15 mega volunteer blood donation camp Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS Ramphilpat Blood Center Jenims Porompat Imphal District Hospital Thobal Khangabok Sijak Langol amasung Babina Khabisoi galonana District Health Society Thobal 46 Battalion Assam Rifles Fundrai NSS Unit 1, 2 and 3 Waikomani Girls College Thobal Yangabam Kumar College Wangzing Lions Club Greater Imphal Lions Club Thobal Greater Centurion Mera Yuva Varat Kendra Thobal Yainubi Cluster Khangabok amasung Association of Volunteer Blood Donor Thobal District ki branch na punna kusum naduna Sinlanguna Manipur State AIDS Control Society State Blood Transfusion Council Manipurna support tauduna Pangthoklagani Hairi Leinana blood donation asigi thimna give blood to our Khongjom War martyrs haibada yongfo mogani Hairi Leinana akupa marol gidamakta 8132855950 natraga 9856 336961 600996452 9856 204135 70053281154 natraga 8414915057 hariba contact number sing asidagi khangba yagani Hairi